Hello. What are you doing, Chloe? You talking to the other cats here? Chloe's a frequent guest, and she's back with us again. And she can see and hear the other cats from the playroom, and so she is letting them know in no uncertain terms that this is her playroom. Huh? You good girl? She's my best girl, huh? You like those birds? Hey, Chloe, you like those birds? Yeah. This is your playroom. Yeah. This is your playroom. So she's just about to get a brush out, and she's doing well. No need to worry about her eating like a tiny horse. Huh, you eating well? Yes. And she's doing good, so don't worry about Chloe. And if I can, before you pick up, I'll put up another video of her. Where are you going? Where are you going?